Hello, my name is Aziz Somro, and I'm trying to make this short video. Hopefully, it'll be short and concise with the information which is needed for uh, someone has just called me a referral, someone to assist in the health insurance. They are 65 and older, and they do not have Medicare Part A or B because they do not have working hours like a 40 quarters, which is like a 10 years worth of work in the US. And they have limited income pensions of some sort, maybe 500 or so a month or 700 a month, limited income. So that situation puts this person 65 and older uh, in a situation of limbo where they cannot participate in marketplace for 65 and under, where you get a subsidy based on some of your premiums. That means you're, for example, 65 and older, age, male or female, just an example, the rate will be close to like 700-800 a month. But having income of 18,000 or more, less than $80,000, 18 to 80, and just to give an idea, it has to be more than poverty level. Then, depending on where your income is, you get a subsidy. That means 60% or so premium will be paid by government. So your premium is of $800 a month. That could be close to $200 a month or maybe $50 a month. But since you are 65 and older, you do not participate or qualify in marketplace. So that leaves you option of Medicare, but since you do not have hours to participate, to qualify to have a Medicare Part A, now if you have been in this country more than 5 years and you are 65 and older, you can buy Part A, which is a hospitalization. Medicare has, three parts. Part A is a hospitalization. Part B is outpatient, doctor visits, MRI, anything outpatient. And there's a Part D, which is drugs. So A, B, and D. So the best option would be to call Medicare, go to medicare.gov or Medicare. If you could call them, it may be a long wait. It's worth it because you don't have to drive and stay in line. You could get an appointment over the phone. They schedule 1 hour appointment for you, somewhere week or 10 days down the road. That number is 1-800-772-1213. 1-800-772-1213. What that does, even though it may take a while, you'll be on the hold for a while, but it's worth it.
Thank you for calling Social Security. Para español, marque 7.
So that is a number 800-772-1213. That way, when you explain to them that you do not have 40 hours of work history in the U.S. and you are 65 and older, you've been here more than 5 years, and you have limited income, they will give you an estimate what would be to buy Part A, which is hospitalization. And also, while you are there, you could ask them what would it be to get a Part B, which is outpatient. Those both, even though they are hospitalization and outpatient, of course they have a deductible and co-payment and co-insurances. I just wanted to give you that information. And another way to get it, which is an expensive way actually, to manually, the insurance companies, Blue Cross, whatnot, many companies who are marketing individual health insurance, they can give you a rate even though you are over 65, 70, or even 80, and they have to rate you as a 64-year-old and get you a manual application to get you covered that way also. But that is the guaranteed coverage, only opens up in October, between October and December, October 1st to December the 15th, when the marketplace opens up. But that is expensive. That will be expensive because they are quoting you 64 age, and you are also regular price. You are not also getting a subsidy. That's why the rate will be close to 800 or 900 a month actually, even with a higher deductible. I wanted to bring this information in a simple, short, manner, so that way you know your options. If you're looking for good health insurance, you call Medicare.gov, which is that's their website, Medicare.gov, or 800-772-1213, and tell them what would be to buy in Part A and Part B. So get that estimate. In 2019, it was $437 a month. So see what it is now. So you call them. That's one way. Another way would be to, when the market opens up, October 1 to December 15th, you can get guaranteed coverage, individual coverage. Even if you are older than 65, the insurance company will rate you as a 64-year-old. Just wanted to make it clear that another third way would be, which is a long process, but it is a good process. It's a good option, which is called Medicaid. That is a federal program that you may want to look into it. Which each state has their own program, of course. Medicaid. That is for the people who are older or they get medical insurance. Who are older, who have low income, who are disabled from 18 to 64 also. So you need to look into Medicaid also. It's a long process. So I wanted to give you those three options: Medicare, regular insurance, or Medicaid. Just wanted to make this video, and then once you have this basic information, then we'll talk again. And my cell phone is 832-641-5119, and my website has some information, which is AIM Best. It's all together, aimbest.com. Thank you. Appreciate it for giving me time to share with you a few basic information about health insurance for 65 or older who do not qualify for Medicare or regular insurance on a standard, regular, normal basis. Thank you.